interior minds. We all love to have a unique home foyer design. So today, I'm going to be discussing about beautiful home foyer ideas. So today, I'm going to be talking about what are the beautiful and the amazing ideas, what are the beautiful colors to use. So let's go into this video, friends. So friends, you can try keeping beautiful and awesome plants in your home foyer, which is an amazing idea. It adds a good and a positive vibration look too. You can even try having a statue of Buddha or a peaceful god. You can even try hanging canvas paintings, which adds a beautiful and a peaceful look. You can try using a colorful table. It can be in a multicolor or in a white color. You can even try using flower vases, which is also an amazing idea. You can try having jar candles or beautiful candles too. You can try having lamps or hanging lamps, which is also going to be adding your beautiful foyer and amazing positive vibration look. You can try adding a simple wooden table or a simple wooden cupboard or even a cabinet. So friends, talking about the colors to use in your home foyer, you can try going on with multicolor. This is one type of theme. You can try going on with double color or triple colors. Or you can just try going on with plain pastel colors like white and light pink. If you're using white, you can try adding a wooden look, which is an amazing idea. You can even try adding some quotes and adding a frame to it. You can try using mirrors, which is also an amazing idea. Thank you for watching our video and remember to subscribe to our channel too.